guys, this is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to be showing you how to automatically post your YouTube videos to Tumblr. So the website that I'm going to be using is called Ifttt, if this then that. So I am on ifttt.com, and what I'm going to do over here is select YouTube. Sorry for that, pardon me. And here I have a lot of applets with me, so I'm going to choose this applet, post new YouTube video uploads to Tumblr. So I'm going to choose this one. It's by Tumblr themselves, they created this applet. I'll click this, and now all you have to do is you will connect your YouTube account. They will ask for authentication and also for your Tumblr authentication as well. And once you are done with those two steps, all you have to do is click this connected button, connect this app, and as soon as you upload any YouTube video, it will be automatically shared on your Tumblr account. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, my friends. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. I'll be signing off. Take care.